Good morning, children. In the previous video, I have done revision of first chapter of computer hardware components with you. Now, next chapter is spreadsheet and introduction. Spreadsheet program is what I have discussed with you. An example of spreadsheet program is Microsoft Excel. Now, this is a Microsoft Excel window. I have shown you this window in your module also. See, these are the components of Microsoft Excel: autofill tab, name box, title bar, formula bar, worksheet area, active cell, row headers, column header, page tab, status bar, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar. These all are the components of MS Excel. Now, what are the key concepts that we have discussed in this chapter? What do you mean by spreadsheet program? What are the features and advantages of this program? Components of MS Excel. In the last slides, I have again discussed with you different types of data, text type of data, number type of data, formula. Operators we have discussed to perform the operations: arithmetic operators, relational operators, concatenation operator, reference operators, comma operator, cell reference we have also done, types of cell reference like absolute, relative, and mixed, changing cell contents. Now, in the next slide, there are some questions for revision. Please, you take out your notebooks and write down these questions. And please, you also write down the answers of these questions. First, fill in the blanks. When MS Excel is launched, an Excel file is opened, it is called a dash. A formula always starts with a dash sign. Dash displays the content of the current or active cell. To enter a numerical value or formula as a label, type and dash before it. Dash is a union operator. Absolute reference makes the cell reference dash irrespective of where the formula is written in the sheet. For an integer, Excel aligns the data to the dash side of the cell. The dash feature of Excel allows you to fill a range of cells with data. Dash refers to cell name that consists of column name followed by row number. Next question is answer in one word. Name an operator used to concatenate the contents of cells. What is the cell called in which you are working upon? What is the default alignment of text type of data? Give one example of text constant. Write shortcut commands to undo an action and redo an action. Which feature allows you to fill a range of cells with data? Answer the following questions. Write formula for the following calculation. Add the data in cells from A50 to A100. Means there is a data in A50 cell to A100. You will use a sum function. Within this parenthesis bracket, you will apply the formula A50 colon A100. Next is, these are the different, the data is in different cells. You will use a comma operator. Write arithmetic operators along with the description and example. How many rows and columns in Excel 2007 and later versions, and all the questions given below here, class. Thank you.